All right, welcome everybody. This is our maths class for today. We are treating the rules of logarithms, and we'll start with the definition of logarithms. Okay, so if you have, by definition, if a log b to the base of a, okay, this is read log b to the base of a is equals to c. Okay, if the logarithm of a number b to the base of a is equals to c, then b is equals to a raised to the power of c. So by definition, this is definition of logarithm. So basically, if you apply to numbers now, if log 36 base 6 is equal to 2. Okay, so basically 36 is equal to 6 to the power of 2. Okay, so similarly, log 100 to base 10, if log 100 to base 10 is 2. So in indices form, it's basically 100 is equal to 10 to the power of 2. In log form, the log of 27 to base 3 is equal to 3. In indices form, 27 is equal to 3 power 3. Of course, you will agree. You are more familiar with this, but this is the logarithm of expression of the same ideas. So this is the way we write its logarithm form. Now take note, when you have the logarithm of a number to base 10, base 10 is a special base. We call it the common log. So this is what you find in the logarithm table. Okay, when you check the logarithm table of your four-figure table or statistical table, they are all logarithms of numbers to the base of 10. So alright, so let's look at, there are several rules. There's several rules that it will be helpful for us to memorize. So the rules of logarithms. So we have product rule. So if you have the logarithm of m times n to this base of a can be expanded like this. So log mn to the base of a is basically log m to base a plus log n to base a. Okay, now let's look at the quotient rule. The quotient rule is if log m divided by n, okay, to this base of a can be expanded as log m to the base of a minus log n to the base of a. Now the power rule is log m to power n to the base of a. The n can just come to this side. Okay, so now let's talk about identity rule, or in plain English, log of same number as base. Log of same number as base. So if you have log a to base a is equals to 1, you can see AA. So it's called same number as base. So for instance, log 10 to base 10 is 1. Okay, log 3 to base 3 is 1. So it's called the identity rule. So once the base and its number are the same, the result is 1. So it's log of same number as base. Let's continue. Let's look at equality rule. Equality rule. If log x to base a is equal to log y to base a, if you have the same, so they have the same base, basically x should be equals to y by reason. Okay, so let's solve a typical examination question. Actually, this question is from the JAMB, the UTME, the JAMB of 2009. Okay, so the question says if log 2 is equals to 0.3010 and log 7 is equals to 0.8451, evaluate log 280. If log 2 is equals to 0.3010 and log 7 is equals to 0.8451, evaluate log 280. Okay, so you have to note all the logarithms are common logarithms. That is, you see there's no base. So once you see that they didn't write any number at the bottom here, no base, so assume that it's base 10. So base 10 is assumed if there is no base written. Now the second key to solving this is to use what you have, log 2 and log 7, which we are given, to find what we are looking for. So use what you have to get what you don't have. So the key is to break or reduce log 280. So rewrite log 280 in terms of log 2 and log 7. So break down this big number into the factors of using factors of 2 and 7. So if you think clearly or mathematically, you see that log 280 itself is what we should focus on. 280 is 28 times 10. 28 can be broken down into 7 times 4 times 10 following. Then 4 can be broken down into 2 squared. So we've simply broken 280 into 7 and 2. Once you be able to reduce 280 into 7, 2 squared, and 10, you've done much of the work. Now you might say, so 10, okay, let's continue. So log 280 is equals to, from here, we can expand using the product rule. So log 7 plus log 2 squared plus log 10, using the product rule, okay, all right? So this expression that is in a single bracket can be spread out this way, all to the common log of 10, okay? So of using the product rule. Then this 2 squared, remember you can use power rule. The power comes and becomes a coefficient on the left side here. Okay, so let's wrap this up. So written, we've been able to express log 280 in this way. Now log 7, so this is 2 log 2. 2 log 2 is simply 2 times log 2. Now how do we get this 1? You have to remember log of same number as base. Now the log 10, this is common log, so basically this is log 10 to base 10. Let me just introduce the base so that I see how I got it. So this is log 7 base 10, 2 log 2 base 10. And now log 10 to base 10, remember log of same number as base, so this is 1. So we're now fixing the values you are giving. You are giving log 7 as this, log 2 as this, and add it up together, get your final answer. That's that.